Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Twitty, and today we're talking about the PRADA Organic Denim Oversized Dress. So if you're interested in learning more about the dress, I'll be talking about the material, the fit, the size. I'll even be styling it for you. I think I styled it 4 different ways for you guys to see, and I'll even go over pricing. So if that sounds good to you, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I talk about all things luxury. So if you love luxury like I do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, so first things first, here is the jacket. I recently added this to my collection, and it is one of my favorite pieces. As you guys can see, I love denim, and I'm so loving the PRADA denim trend. They have all sorts of denim pieces, from jeans, tops, dresses, jackets, but today we're focusing on this dress. And when I saw it, I just felt like I needed to get it because I've always loved denim, and to find a denim dress, like, it's just so versatile. You can do so much with it, but we'll get into that in a little bit when I show you how I style the dress. So let's go over just the dress in general and how it arrived. So this dress has been really hard to find. It's like it keeps selling out. So I wasn't able to order it directly from PRADA, but I ordered it from one of the department stores, Saks, and they shipped it to me. It arrived with this beautiful PRADA hanger, which I love, and that was pretty much it. And so this is the dress. It is 100% made out of sustainable cotton, which we love, right? We're all trying to do better, I hope, in like the fashion land. So it is made out of full cotton, so there is absolutely no stretch to this. It's just like that nice, like, raw denim. Even though there's no stretch to it, the fit of it is an oversized fit, so you don't have to worry about it being too tight within like the arms, the chest, the bust, or even the hips, which I really love. It has a very relaxed feel to it, and it's not cut narrow at all. If anything, it is very generous in sizing. So my recommendation to you would be to size down if possible. So in this dress, I actually picked up a size 38 Italian, which is a US 2. I am a US size 6, and if I get a little too off the wagon, sometimes I can get up to an 8. So I'm a US like 6'8", and I wear 2, and you guys will see how generously it fits on me, and it's super comfortable. I have tons of room in it, so definitely size down a couple sizes if you can, because otherwise, like, I feel like if I had gotten the 6, which is a 42 Italian, I would be like swimming in the dress, and it would just be way too large on me. But I do love the fact that they did like this oversized, relaxed style. It kind of feels like a boyfriend shirt or something like that, kind of like that vibe. And I personally feel like I can still dress it up and dress it down and play with it a lot. And so for me, it's like really comfortable when going out. I've worn this to so many things, and it's like, especially if you have one of those nights where you want to eat good, drink whatever, and you don't want to have to worry about your belly poking out, like, this is the dress for you. It would probably also really do really well for like a maternity dress. Maybe if you get your true size, then you have even more room, but there's definitely room to like grow in this dress for sure. In addition to it being cotton, it also has this beautiful little PRADA plaque here, which is a black enamel on metal, and then it's also set with the signature PRADA Saffiano leather. So I love that little accent, and I think that's what really like brings up the denim dress and just gives it that little extra PRADA flair. The dress also comes with silver tone buttons on it, on the front and on the sleeve. And what I love about these buttons is that they actually snap instead of having to button, because we all hate having to sit there and button every single button individually. So I love the fact that they just snap open and close, which makes it really easy to wear the dress. The current retail price for this dress is $17.90 USD, so it is a bit steep. To me, like I said, I love denim, and I've just always like worn denim, and I know it's something that like I will wear this dress over and over and over again. So for me, it made sense because from a cost per wear standpoint, I know I'll get my cost per wear out of it. If I haven't already, I'm like close to it, and I've only had the dress for a few weeks now, and it's something that like is so easy. I can wear it out to dinners, I can wear it running errands, I have worn it to like sporting events, all sorts of stuff. And to me, like, it's just a piece that will probably be in my closet for forever. So it is quite a big investment, but for me personally, I just feel like it made sense with my wardrobe. All right, so now let's get into the styling. So the first way that I styled this dress was as a dress, and I paired it with heels. And the reason I did that is because I feel like when you see a denim dress, you think like very casual, streetwear, running around, which this dress is perfect for. But I wanted to show you that it's also quite versatile and you can actually dress it up. So I loved pairing the dress with a cute pair of heels, and then just to dress it up even more, I added a sparkly Prada bag, which I just felt like added that extra touch of glam that just like took the dress up a little bit in a way that's kind of like unexpected. So it's still very feminine, it's very girly, but you're wearing a denim dress, which, you know, when it comes to denim, it tends to be like, I don't think anyone thinks of like femininity when they think of denim, right? It's more so like a casual thing, or kind of like, you know, just like really chill. And so dressing it up with like the sparkly bag and heels, that felt like totally my vibe, where I love to like mix a little like girly with the edginess, and I just really love this look. I thought it was so fun. Now for the next look, I did keep the same bag, but I took the look down a little bit and made it more casual by adding on some ankle boots. Now I have booties on, but you could also do sneakers with this as well, which would also be really fun if you're just wearing like, you want a more comfortable look. But with the crystal bag, it still adds that little like extra to it, so it didn't feel like I looked too casual. It felt like I still put in some effort, but I still want it to be casual and comfortable. So you can wear the booties, or you could do a pair of sneakers or a pair of flats, either one, and you could kind of get the same look. But for me, I just thought like the booties again was like playing on the whole like masculine edge with the girly bag, and I just love that look. All right, for look number 3, I paired the dress with a pair of over-the-knee boots. Now these are just your basic suede black over-the-knee boots, and I thought that that was pretty fun just to not have like any skin showing. And this is also perfect if you want to keep wearing the dress into like the colder months, like the fall and winter. So when you don't really want any skin or legs exposed, you can wear over the knee boots. You could also do leggings, or you could do like a pair of leather leggings as well if you want to get that same look where you just kind of have like this shirt dress paired with like a black bottom, if you will. And then in this case, I could use the same crystal bag, but I just wanted to show some versatility. Not really doing too much, kind of letting the boots be the focus other than the dress, right? So I paired the dress with my like basic regular Prada re-edition so that the boots could speak out, and like the dress and the boots be the full outfit, and then the bag is just an accessory. And then the last way that I styled it, style number 4, is where you're really going to get the most bang for your buck with this dress, and this is where all the versatility comes into play. So here I'm wearing it actually as a jacket instead of a dress, and I paired it with like a little dress, kept those over the knee boots, same bag. But again, you could even do this with leggings, leather pants, jeans. You could do like a Canadian tuxedo look. There's so many ways that you can wear this dress as a jacket. Like, I look at it as like basically a jacket or a cardigan. Like, the options truly are endless. All right, you guys, so that is the Prada denim dress and the 4 ways that I styled it. Again, there are so many other ways that you could style it. You could style it with cute skirts, pants, all sorts of things. I'll also be sharing a review and styling on the Prada denim jacket that I'm wearing in this video. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss that video when it launches. And also, please give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. All right, guys, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!